Yo, what's going on folks? Retrospective Dave here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the SC Factory Air Jordan 4 in the military blue colorway. But not only I'll be looking at the SC Factory itself, we're also going to be looking at the difference between the authentic SC pair and the replica SC pair. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Enough of the intro, let's get to the info. So the retail SC pair and the fake SC pair will have one thing in common when it comes to the box label, and that is neither one will feature the Jordan.com like the stateside pairs do. Now, one thing that you must look out for is a difference in the font, which is a dead giveaway when authenticating the SC pairs. Notice that the font on the retail pair is not as bold compared to the fake. You also want to make sure that your letters and numbers are slightly pressed or debossed into the box label. The text on the fake will be more flat and surface level. So when it comes to the insoles, the retail pairs will feature this sticker right here. Stickers can easily be removed or fall off, but if you're buying the sticker brand new, then the sticker should still be in place. If you find that the sticker isn't there, consider it a red flag unless you're buying a used pair. Now, at first glance, the sizing tag may look identical, but there are two giveaways to look out for, and those are the font and the spacing. Notice on the retail pair that there is a considerable amount of spacing between the factory code and the border of the sizing tag. You also want to make sure that you take note of the little dot on the sizing tag. Retail pairs will have a decent amount of space between the dot and the edge of the sizing tag. Also note that the border around the sizing tag of the retail pair is smoother and doesn't appear to be painted on like it does on the fake. Next, you want to make sure that you have a woven footbed. Retail pairs will most likely feature the blue stamp. Mind you, this is only for the SZ pairs. LN3, LNM, and LN4 won't have a blue stamp on the footbed. Please take note that sizes 11.5 and under will also have 2 columns in the air bubble. So if you wear a size 12 and up, you will have 3 columns in the air bubble. So I hope this video was able to give you some clarity or insight on the military blue Air Jordan 4 with the SC factory code. Shout out to Dr. J as well. He does real versus fake content on his channel, and he also has an extended video comparing the SC military blue Air Jordan 4. The link is in my description box. So if you got something useful out of this video, definitely hit the like, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. And until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace.